let's begin our first game.
Okay.
Alright, our first player goes to...
It will be 10 players po, 10 players.
First player goes to... Brother Deo
Si Deo.
Emin.
Brother Deo Temil.
Alright, for first player.
Okay, our second player is Mom Bean Park. Bean Park. Bean Park. Wala po?
Asan po si Madam Big Park? Wala po?
Okay, wala.
Okay, next player. Brother Byron Lucas. Byron Lucas po, sino po siya?
Byron Lucas. Byron Lucas.
May bata.
Wala po ba?
Wala po?
Para po madali po tayo. Okay, next. Emilia.
Oh,
Emilia? Okay.
okay, next player. Nandito po siya, anak natin Pearly. Sunmol. Sunmol, approach sa iyo. Oh, panapakan naman natin si Sunmol. Okay.
Okay,
Yung
next
stay here.
is Miss Grace
Sinabi
Rivera.
ko.
Miss Grace Rivera.
Okay, Miss Grace Rivera. Okay, our next player goes to Ruby Julian. Andyan po ba? Okay, palapakan naman natin si Miss Ruby.
Okay, next player is Korean Jang Mi Jin. Jang Mi Jin.
John Mijin. Okay, next player, Mr. Vincent Mantad. Mr. Vincent Mantad, nasa ka po? Ayan, palapakan naman natin si Brother Vincent.
Okay, next one is Brother Raymart Mercado.
Okay, Brother Raymar. Okay, next player, Mr. Alvin Aguilar.
Okay, next player is Maricam.
Oy, si Ate Marie!
Ate Marica. Okay, our next player, Kang Sinop. Kang Sinop.
Oy, sapo na! Sabay, sabay!
Kang Sinop.
Okay.
Okay.
O, 10 na, 10! O, 10 na, 10!
Okay.